Hello, everyone. My name is Nobukazu Fujimoto, and I'm the director of Online Watch Academy. At this academy, where I serve as the lead instructor, we wholeheartedly welcome the participation of everyone who is interested in watch repair. By the way, do you know when the mechanism that makes that watch of yours work? Do you know when the mechanism that makes the watch work was invented? It is thought that the first watch powered by a weight was invented around 1300 AD. The history of people's wisdom and technology over a period of about 700 years is packed into this wristwatch. I am fascinated by such a long history, and I want to pass on this wonderful technology to future generations. I myself have been involved in watch repair for 24 years, and for the last 10 years I have been a lecturer at a watchmaking school. And now, if I'm going to pass on my watchmaking skills, I thought that the best way would be to provide a place for everyone to learn online. The lessons at the Online Watch Academy will take you step by step through the basics. What I want to convey in particular is the correct knowledge for keeping your watch running for longer. It would be wonderful if the watches I work on could keep going for decades without stopping and even transcend generations, marking the passage of time. I want to pass on my knowledge of watch repair from such a long-term perspective. Also, if it's online, you can participate in the lessons no matter where you are. We can teach watch repair techniques not only in Japan, but all over the world. I dream that in the future, people who are interested in watch repair will be able to gather and interact across national borders. However, the Online Watch Academy is still in its infancy. In order to meet everyone's expectations, we will not only ensure that the academy is well run, we want to make it an academy that is created by everyone, accepting everyone's questions and ideas, and help us make this academy a success. Thank you for your cooperation.